To start image pairing in Lumi application, open your Lumi apps. It is best for Lumi application to be downloaded in your computer so that when there is no internet connection, you can make your Lumi assessment. Okay. So do not rely on using Lumi with internet connection. So again, my advice is to download the Lumi app. So click start, choose the H5P editor, then create new H5P. So this is the interface of our Lumi. We have file, edit, help. So we have this side, our new H5P. So we have the select content type. In the search for content types, type image pairing. Okay. So image pairing or so I have here. So as I type, the the Lumi application detects the word, then this one pop-ups. So I'm going to click details for image pairing. You can you can begin by watching the content demo. Okay. So you will be delivered to internet. Or kung memorize nyo naman kung paano gumawa, so click the blue button that has the word use. So this one, title used for searching reports and copyright, you can type this one, match the picture at the left to the picture at the right. Or if you have a prepared instruction better than this, you can have your own. So drag images from the left to match them with corresponding images on the right. So in my case, I already have prepared pictures for this one to match. So meron na akong folder, nilagay ko sa desktop. I have here folder for pictures that I'm going to use, sample video, and other tutorials. I'm going to click picture where I save all the pictures needed for this tutorial. So dito, meron akong ginawa sa PowerPoint na box na nilagyan ko ng arthropoda tapos picture ng arthropoda sample. So I'm going to click this one. So pwede kong lagyan dito ng describe what can be seen in the photo. So uh, it tells the classification of the animal, colon, arthropoda. Okay? So, ano yung ima-match natin sa ganitong word? So, I'm going to click add. Arthropoda, wrong spelling, kaya pala siya nag-red. Okay, add picture to match the image. I'm going to click this one. Then, open. Okay? So, pwede ko rin siyang lagyan ng text dito sa baba. Pwede ko siyang lagyan ng centipede. Okay, next is, dadagdagan ko siya. So, I'm going to click card number 2 or the second card. Another image. So, this one, animal classification core data. I'm going to type animal classification colon. Nasa sa inyo if you are going to add words for this particular button here, then add the image that you are going to match for this word. So I'm going to click this one. Rat or rodent. So pwede ko siyang lagyan ng rodent. Okay? So if you want to add more pictures to match, you can add the plus add card button. So ayan, meron ako number 3. So add this one, echinodermata or echinodermata. Okay. Classification, echinodermata. Okay. Please correct me if my pronunciation, I am not particular to the different terminologies in biology. So let us correct. Okay, Echinodermata. Okay, add the matching image. This one is a starfish. So pwede nating lagyan ng starfish. Okay, maganda din kung if we are going to localize our pictures kasi mas na-identify ng bata locally ano yung ibig sabihin mo sa imamatch mo na word. Okay, let us add another card, the last one. So I have here nematoda. Click. Okay. So animal classification, nematoda. Then the matching image. Ayan siya. Open. So, lagyan na lang po natin siya ng worm. Hindi naman din po mababasa ng mga bata ito. Okay, so dito sa baba may nakalagay na behavioral setting. You can add button for retrying when the game is over. So I'm going to put blank this one kasi I do not want them to have this as a retrial. So fix na po siyang answer. Text overrides and translation. Yan na siya. Okay? So if you are done, you can view your creation. So I have here, these are all the words and these are all the pictures to match from the left picture. So if I'm going to answer this one as a student, I'm going to click and drag to the picture. So for example, this one, ilalagay ko siya sa square. Ayan siya. Okay, nematoda, then chordata, and echinodermata. Ayan siya. So let us check if our answers are correct. Okay, so I got 2 out of 4 points. So that's all on how to make your image pairing.